Actually, if mass of the body is there, this is the mass of the body that is consisting of m. The mass of the body, it is represented by the unit is equal to kilogram. If it is in presence of lift, so what is the state of lift here? Rest. At the state of rest of the lift, there is no acceleration, so that acceleration is equal to 0. In case this lift is moving in downward direction, that means acceleration due to gravity is nothing but small g, also that is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Actually this was converted to Newton. So if acceleration due to gravity moving in downward direction means, if the lift that is equal to F is equal to mg minus ma. Actually we are calling it is a tensional force. The tensional force that is equal to, it is look like a moving upward and downward directions. So if I am writing m of g minus a, so actually this is the tensional force that is m into g minus a. It was explained whenever lift is moving in freely falling. At the same time lift is moving in upward directions. What do you do here? So if tensional force T minus mg that is equal to ma, because of mass in every situation it is equal to constant, mass does not change. By help of force you cannot able to changes the mass, only your changes mass of the body, how it changes the position. So if T is equal to m of mg plus ma, T is equal to m of g plus a. These two conditions we are varying whenever object moving in upward direction, whenever object moving is equal to downward direction. This is simple phenomena. So I am related to one more problem I will explain to you. So okay, if the object is moving downward direction, whether object is moving upward direction, how can I consider? How can I solve this problem? So I will explain small important point to you. This is applied force. Everybody know. This is equal to opposite force, that is equal to frictional force. Every 9th standard will be learn what is the frictional force, how it is acting in opposite direction also. So if I am writing total net force on here, the net force that is equal to applied force that is equal to capital F, it is equal to applied force minus frictional force that is equal to opposite force. So net force by finding a free body diagram related to a state of the rest of the body, how it is look like a acceleration is equal to 0. In case object is moving in downward direction, the tensional force is equal to m into g minus a. At the same time object moving in upward direction, the t minus mg is equal to ma. If t is equal to m of g plus a you will write here. So what is the conditions you learn right now? Because of the object at rest, there is no momentum, there is no acceleration. Whenever object is moving up, so a person in presence of lift, that weight completely depends on that weight completely downward direction, because of weight is always in downward direction vertically. So if the person feeling is yes, so much weight is moving in upward direction, because his reason away from the lift. If lift is moving away from the gravity, at the same time when the lift is moving downward direction, it was nothing but a freely falling. That is nothing but it is attracted towards the gravity. And one more thing, one more condition, a person in a freely falling, that person weight is equal to how much, you know? Actually a weight of an object, for example a billiard ball you can take, that is equal to 1 gram or 2 gram or 3 gram. If you can release it from the first floor or second floor or third floor, whenever that object moving into the air, so it can be started to loss of weight. So that loss of weight of the body, you are calling it is a freely falling body. So that is the reason. So these type of way of explanations, problem along related to that problem solution, and that solution where it is coming from, formula explanation. That formula explanation I will explain from step to step, how to write the given data, how to write the formula, how to consider the formula, how to apply the formula, how to get the final solution. So thank you so much for ever supporting me. I'm trying to giving my best to you, so at the same time your support also gives to me. So whatever we learn in all the competitive examinations like IIT and NEET and JEE Mains levels, we are discussing this point of view. So I will send to step by step every problem solutions. I will send to step by step classes. So you can please try to 1:2 times see, and what is your feeling, you can give me the reply through the comment. And finally you are able to understood, and you are able to your in the comment also. I will give good response to you. At the same time, how your parents are teach to you, dear students, like that only I will give more supporting to you. See here, one thing I will tell you. Once upon a time, I will explain one word in Telugu, one word in Telugu word, that is nothing but once upon a time. మనకి ద్రోణాచార్యుడు అర్జునుడికి ఎలాంటి కోచింగ్ అయితే ఇవ్వగలిగాడో, అర్జునుడు తను తెలివితేటల కొద్దీ తన గురువు ఎలాంటి సపోర్ట్ చేయటం వల్ల తను ది బెస్ట్ వచ్చాడు అనేది మనకు తెలుసు. సో అయితే ఇక్కడ ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ దట్ నేను ద్రోణాచార్యుడిని అవునో కాదో తెలియదు, బట్ నా దగ్గరున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ మాత్రం డెఫినెట్గా అర్జునుడిలాగే ఉండాలి. దట్స్ మై మెయిన్ ఫిలాసఫీ. దట్స్ వే ఐఎమ్ started to today this type of like a YouTube channel. So that is the main philosophy to us, that is behind the reason. Thank you, your valuable supporting to me.